This role motivated me to actually start practicing yoga, do something new, start eating right and mindful eating. The minute I started seeing results, I was like, wow, this is addictive. In a city like Bombay, everybody is so restless, overworked and stressed. I think it's very, very important to take some time out for yourself, to practice meditation, to have slightly slower mornings, take care of your health, have some time in hand.
A lot has been spoken about your physical transformation.
Oh, yes.
And the way you've lost weight. What was it like, and what made you do that? And also, was it for your own to feel good about your own self? And how was it like, the journey?
So this happened last year. My directors, my producers reached out to me for a role, a series called Pan Parda Zarda, and they wanted me to look a certain way, and for which I had to lose weight. So I was like, ठीक है यार, बहुत हो गए resolutions because every New Year resolution used to be
Yeah.
about losing weight.
Yeah.
And never adhered to it. My
Yeah.
Mondays never came. The resolutions never saw the light of day. But I think this role motivated me to actually start practicing yoga, do something new, start eating right and mindful eating. And the minute I started seeing results, I was like, wow, this is addictive. Now let's just stick to it and wear the clothes that I always wanted to, look a certain way that I always wanted to.
Yeah.
And I also feel in these changing times and changing lifestyles, one should, exercise, eat right, to have clarity. मेरे जो योगा टीचर हैं वो मुझे बोलते हैं दैट जो दिन में एक बार खाते हैं वो योगी होते हैं, जो 2 बार खाते हैं वो भोगी होते हैं, जो 3 बार खाते हैं वो रोगी होते हैं. So I don't want to be a rogi anymore. Yeah, I'm just eating right and looking after myself and feeling very, very good and fit.
Yeah, it's so wonderful to see that transformation. But also, how have you also not? So this was when you yourself decided to do that.
Yeah.
But an actor is always under scrutiny when it comes to the way they look.
Yeah.
How have you not allowed that to sort of affect you, or sort of ever be insecure in your career? Does that require work? And also, how important is it to also take care of your health mentally and physically, both being an actor also?
See, not only being an actor, I think everybody in today's
Yeah.
lifetime, the kind of lifestyle we have is terrible. We don't sleep at 10:30 anymore the way we used to.
Yeah.
Parents तब सुला देते थे कि सो जाओ, स्कूल है. But अब वो नहीं होता है, especially in a city like Bombay. Everybody is so restless, overworked and stressed. I think it's very, very important to take some time out for yourself, to practice meditation, to have slightly slower mornings, take care of your health, have some time in hand, prioritize your space. It's very important. I think it gives you clarity and you approach everything with ease.
Yeah.
Which is so important,
Yeah.
Otherwise हम इतना hyper और restless रहते हैं, late हो रहे होते हैं, भाग रहे होते हैं. It's not good for us. It's really
Yeah.
not good for us. It's good to slow down.
In terms of being secure and not so there's a thin line between feeling insecure or getting bogged down by the pressure of being an actor and looking a certain way.
Yeah, looking a certain way. I always wanted to look a certain way, but was never able to achieve that because of my laziness and constant procrastination. But वही है, if you choose to look fit, you really
Yeah.
have to work hard.
Yeah.
You have to work hard. You have to wake up on those lazy mornings and hit the gym or yoga or whatever it is, because your other side of the brain will always tell you to छोड़ो ना, सो जाते हैं. So choose your struggles wisely. But I think I stuck by it, and I feel very, very happy and proud of my achievement, because it's not difficult to lose weight. It is very easy to lose weight, but the difficult part starts after you lose weight is
Yeah.
to maintain it.
Yeah.
Which I never have been able to. And now it's been almost a year that I have been able to maintain that. छुट्टियाँ मुझे अभी भी डरा देती हैं कि अगर छुट्टी पे जाऊँगी तो खा लूँगी और फिर क्या होगा. So
True.
my yoga teacher always tells me कि don't overdo.
हाँ.
खाओ लेकिन पेट भर कर मत खाओ. So yeah, I don't take that pressure anymore.
Thank you.
Thank
Always
you.
so
Thank
lovely
you,
talking to
Amita.
you.